Let me ask you a question. You said your father is Bilal.
Yeah.
Any doubt about that? No. Would you swear in court that this is my father?
Yeah.
Testify in court, this is my father? Yeah. Who is your mother? What's her name?
Patricia.
Is there any doubt in your mind about that? 100% sure. You bear witness in court. This is my mother, Patricia is my mother, yeah? So you're willing to testify to your mother and your father, but you don't want to testify to the one who created both your mother and your father. This is a step that you take, and it will make all the difference in the world. But first of all, tell everybody your name.
It's Johnny.
Johnny what?
Right.
Okay, Johnny is actually the son of one of our Muslim brothers in Dallas, who is not here with us, although he wanted to be, because his sister had a triple bypass today. So he's over there taking care of his sister, which every Muslim should be aware of and do that. So you'll tell him for us how much we really appreciate him and we miss him. Okay? All right. So do you believe there really is only one God?
Yes.
And you want to serve him on his terms?
Yes.
And this means the Shahada. I know you already know that, but so everybody knows this is what we always say. And you bear witness to that.
Yes, sir.
And Muhammad is a messenger of God.
Yes.
And Jesus is a messenger of God.
Yes.
All right. And you swear to that?
That's right.
All right. Then we'll do it formally. And first in English and then in Arabic with a little bit of Texas influence. All right. Ready? Okay. I bear witness.
I bear witness.
There's no God to worship
There's no God to worship
except one God.
except one God,
Allah.
Allah.
And
And
I bear witness
I bear witness
that Muhammad
that Muhammad
is his messenger.
is his messenger.
And Jesus is his messenger.
Jesus is his messenger.
I know which one Arabic. Ashhadu
Ashhadu
an la
Allah
ilaha
ilaha
illallah
illallah
wa
wa
Muhammad
Muhammad
Rasulullah
Rasulullah
wa Isa
wa Isa
Rasulullah.
Rasulullah.
Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. MashaAllah. Now, what's happened is Johnny has had a chance to start his life all over again, right here and now. All of his mistakes, sins, whatever, been erased. But he kept all of his good deeds. And according to some narrations, we know that Allah really even gave you an equal amount to the other deeds he took off as good deeds. But regardless, the most important thing, you're closer to Allah now than you ever been. I'm happy for that. And you have a direct connect right now. You have no sins, and you have a direct connect to your Lord. It means you're actually better off than some of us been born in Islam. That's true. And anything you ask Allah from right this minute is really accepted immediately. So I like to just encourage you, get you started on du'as. Allahumma,
Allahumma
Ya Rabb,
Ya Rab,
give hidayah
give hidayah
to
to
Yusaf Estes.
Yusuf
And all of us. Ameen. Hidayah means guidance. Okay? Give and I collect my commission check up front. You know. So I was going to use this. And now comes the hugs. Now comes the hugs. Yeah. Where's Tori? He become expert in the hugs.
Right here, expert.
Here's Tori. Tori became my expert hugger. If you want, anybody needs hugging lessons, he's here. Jazakumullah khair. I love all of you for the sake of Allah. Keep sharing Islam with everybody. Show them the right thing about Islam. And may Allah always bless you, your children, your community from now on. Ameen. Ya Rabbil Alamin.